Some little bastard stole my walker! The milk's spoiled. Where's my walker? Damn it, I want my walker. Why I thought of you, little son of a bitch. Oh, that's Henry. Never mind, sweetheart. You're okay. I need to go tiddly winkle. Or I'll need to change my diaper.